Have you ever opened a file only to find it completely empty? It's frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling the issue of .rmd files opening as completely empty in RStudio. I understand how annoying it is when you expect to see your work, but instead, you're greeted with a blank screen. You're definitely not alone in this. Many users have faced this exact problem. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why do my RMD files open as completely empty in RStudio 3.2? They mentioned that the files contain text when opened in Notepad or on another machine. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So what could be causing this? There are a few potential reasons for .rmd files appearing empty in RStudio, such as compatibility issues, file corruption, or even settings within RStudio itself. We'll break it down step by step so you can figure out what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue of RMD files opening as empty in RStudio, the user should first check the file encoding settings. Sometimes, incorrect encoding can lead to files appearing blank. Next, the user should try opening the .rmd file using a different encoding. This can help if the file was saved in a format that RStudio does not recognize. If the problem persists, the user should consider updating RStudio to the latest version. Sometimes, bugs in older versions can cause issues with file handling. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, the user may want to check for any RStudio plugins or settings that could be interfering with file opening. Did you know? RStudio was originally designed for R programming, but it has grown to support many other languages too. It's a powerful tool, but sometimes it can be a bit finicky. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from a user suggests saving your .rmd files with UTF-8 encoding. This can resolve the issue of files appearing empty in RStudio. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always back up your files and consider using version control systems like Git. This way, you can avoid losing important work and easily revert to previous versions. And there you have it. You should now have a better understanding of why your .rmd files were opening empty. Remember, keeping your software updated and checking settings can save you a lot of headaches. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus tip on file management.